Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete search history on Facebook app. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete search history on Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the magnified search at the top right. Once you selected that, then you can go ahead and search for any other thing, or better still, to see all your search history, click on see all. Then hang on, you should see all search history. You can click on searches to see all you searched for on Facebook. Just hang on, this is going to pop all your search history. Now to delete all the search history, you can delete them one after the other, or click on clear all at the top right and you should put that says clear all searches and face it. So go ahead and click on clear all, and once you click on clear all, this is going to clear your search history on that Facebook app. So that is exactly how you can clear or remove search history on Facebook. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.